Welcome to Tolu Olamba's vlog. Please subscribe to the channel. Thank you. So first off, we start up with mouth cleaning, and mouth cleaning we go in with toothpaste and toothbrush, and we just want to scrub through our teeth, our corners of our mouth, and also our tongue to keep everywhere clean. Yes, we will just keep it clean. Then we rinse off with water. And then we go to the next, which is scrubbing the lips. This scrub is a DIY which I made by adding some amount of brown sugar, honey and olive oil together. So just pick the quantity that goes for you. There was no particular gauging for it. You just fetch as your instinct tell you. You mix together and you apply them to your lip in circular motion, scrubbing them all along gently, please. After which you rinse it off. Then I go off to rinse it off, then rinse my body. Rinse all over my body with water, flowing water. After which I go in with my scrub. The next part is to go in with our scrub. The scrub helps to exfoliate the body, remove dead skin cells, thereby revealing good and fresh new skin. So I put on exfoliating gloves. You can use your bare hands. In fact, I prefer to use my bare hands because this exfoliating gloves was just making me feel like a baby. So you just want to scrub all over your body, basically in circular motion. Scrub your neck area. Then you scrub your armpits too to avoid them getting dark. You just scrub all the way. Yes, you scrub all the way, gently, but not defeating the purpose. You can see, go ahead to scrub the back of your neck and your ear areas. Those are the parts that are the most neglected in your body. Go to scrub them to remove every dirt from everywhere. Then we move on to our other parts of our body. Yes, we scrub them too. Then we move to our legs. We scrub everywhere, scrub in between toes, scrub to get every dirt or dead cell around that place out, because most times the dead skin around our legs tend to be more. That's our feet. Yes, you scrub them, scrub your knee, putting in mind all the dark regions. You try to scrub them even more. After which you go under the shower to rinse your body off, to rinse the scrub off your body. So you see me there rinsing my legs too. So my face is wet. I went ahead with the scrub on my face, gently and slowly scrubbing my face and trying in every means to lift my chin up to defy aging. Yes, to defy aging. Then I left it on for scrubbed and left it on for 2 to 5 minutes. Then I rinsed off with water. And I went ahead to rinse the remainder of my body too with water. If you notice in this video, you see that my armpits are already shaved and they look clean, no dark armpits. This is because I have a method which I use. If you want to see the method, then you can comment in the comment section that you want to see how I shave my armpit to avoid blackheads. Sorry, not blackheads, to avoid bumps and darkness of the armpits. After which I go in with my soap, Tolu's essential soap. I take little quantity of it and add it to my African sponge. This sponge is very hard. A lot of people complain about it. Even me, when I first started using the sponge, it wasn't easy, but with time I got used to it and I like the way it just does the extra exfoliation, and it's just so good. I go ahead to scrub on my body, my elbow, my armpits. I just go in everywhere. The sponge just go far and does all the job I need it to do. So I scrub all my body, even my palms too. Then I scrub the remainder of my body. Then I go to scrub my ears, the back of my ears and my ears themselves. Then I scrub every part of that to make it clean. We don't want any dirty earlobes. Then we wash our back, the back of our neck. Wash the back of our neck, yes, to keep everywhere clean. And then we go to our feet, we wash our feet. Many people neglect their feet, so if you have those stones or those scrub, whatever they call it, you can just use it to scrub it. For me, I just love to go in with this sponge. I told you the sponge is very hard and it does the job. I rinsed my body and took another soap to go along again and just continue the whole washing process. And you can see me concentrating on my neck and those my ear regions again. This is because they are the ones that are neglected and they get darker when you don't take care of them properly. So I go to scrub them, scrub the remainder of my body. Then I wash my back. My hands don't go totally to my back, and this is the method I use to get my hand to my back and everywhere. Then I take little quantity of soap. Then I take it, wet it, and wash my face. I go in circular motions, like I said. Oh my god, I must sure get soap into my eyes. I know you'll be expecting it, so wait for it. Yep, I did it. So I got soap into my eyes as usual, something that happens every day. Then I had to rinse it and rinse off my face. Then I go ahead to rinse off all the remainder of my body. I take time to rinse it off all my face, to get it off my hair, my ear, and I just do everything to get clean. Rinse my back and the remainder of my body. Yes, making everywhere clean, rinsing off all the soap and all the slime of the soap, rinsing it off and getting myself squeaky clean. Okay, the next thing is for me to pat dry myself, oil and cream my body, and put my favorite fragrance, yes, and smell sweet. Just me here patting dry my body with the towel. And guess what, my village people decided to follow me into this video. You see the emoji, it wasn't there. It is there to cover my undies that is displaying there. I don't know what brought it there, but that's it for this video. Thank you. Please like, share, comment, and do every good thing.